To start making websites, you should work around with different elements such as text, images, and so forth. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can work around with text. So over here on the cover page, you can see that there's this text already, which is on the title in the title format. So if I were to go around and choose this thing right here, if I were to click on it, I can turn it into a heading so that it is smaller. You can go around on make it subheading, small text, or even normal text right here. Let me just go around and select heading right here. So another thing that you can do is you can go around, choose the font that you like from one of these options that you see right here. You can also go around over here onto more font and select more fonts. I'm just going to select this one, and you can see that the font changes out according to how I selected. If I were to select, let's say, a certain part, you can see that I can apply different font to different parts of the text right here. You can also go around over here onto more font. And then here you can see you can access different fonts right here. You can even search for different font, like let's say, for example, let's say there's no office font right here. But if I were to go around and font with P, you can see that there's different type of fonts that appear, and you can choose from over here, press OK, and that particular font will be applied. So another thing that you can do is you can work around with font size and give it a size that you want. You can also go around, type in the size. You can make it bold, italicize it. You can select a portion as well. You can italicize it, underline it. You can go around, change the color of the font to the way you like, and even link and work around with the alignment. So here you can see you can left align it, you can center align it, you can right align it, and you can even justify right here. So for that, I'm going to go around over here. You can go to insert and to add in an element of your choice. So or component of your choice right here. You can go around, and here you can see text box is an option. Once you click on text box, you can see that there's the text box that appears. So I'm just going to go around and say this is a paragraph, just like this as an example. And I'm going to copy paste this out. So let me just press Ctrl Z a few times. You can go around right here, and then I'm going to copy this. And you can see that this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around right here, copy out this portion so it actually does not go to the next line. There you go. There's the paragraph right here. Let me just press enter and so forth. You can see that you can go around and add in the text as you want. You can also resize this and then place the component wherever you want. You can see that on the grid line right here, you can drag and drop the component wherever you want. You can also have different type of titles on the same box as well. So you can go for title, and you can see that this is what you have. We can go around and change the font right here and change around the font size over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can bold, you can italicize it. And talking about the justify, you can go around and justify out the text as well. So you can see that this is not actually aligned on the right side. So you can go around, center align it, you can right align it, or click on justify so that everything, the spacing is all aligned. So let me just go around right here and then select out everything. So let me just justify everything and click on justify, and you can see that all of them becomes balanced. You can also work around with lists. So if I were to go around, type in a bunch of things by pressing enter, you can go around, turn it into a list by clicking on the number as well. You can go around, press tab to make it like a sublist over here as well. Similarly, you can select this and turn it into a regular list by clicking on bulleted list, and you can see there's no number over here, just like that. You can go around right here and change out the type according to how you like it. You can go around back right here, press backspace to go back, as you can see, just like that. So if you want to delete out the component, you can simply remove or go to more option over here as well, where you got more options like line and paragraph spacing, like you can go for 1.5 spacing or 1.25 spacing, and even double spacing right here. And you can remove the space before paragraph or add a space after paragraph and so forth from over here as well. You can also go to custom spacing and then change out the line spacing to 3 right here. And before the paragraph, let's say you want to add in 10, and after you want to add in 10, you can change around the paragraph like that as well. You can go around over here, work around with the indentation right here, just like this. You can also decrease out the indentation right here. You can also strike it through right here, or turn, let's say, for example, something into a code font right here as well. You can select something out right here, and here you can see you can clear out formatting right here as well. So let me clear out formatting, and it goes back to the default state, as you can see right here. So that is how you can add and work around with text inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.